Are your iPhone apps lagging, crashing, or just not performing their best? Staying on top of app updates is the secret to a smooth and secure iPhone experience. Let's dive into how to do it. We'll cover both manual and automatic updates. First, let's look at manual updates. Open the App Store app, tap on your profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Here, you'll find a section labeled Available Updates. Under Available Updates, you'll see a list of apps that have updates available. Each app listed in this section displays an update button beside it. You can choose to individually update each app by tapping the update button beside its name, or you can update all of your apps simultaneously by tapping the Update All button in the top right corner. That's it. You've manually updated your apps. Now, let's automate the process with automatic updates, so you don't have to lift a finger. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. In the Settings, scroll down and tap on General. Inside General, tap on App Background Refresh. You'll see the App Background Refresh option. Make sure that it is turned on. Now, go back to the main settings page, scroll down until you find the App Store tab, and select it in the App Store settings. Make sure the toggle next to App Updates is turned on. With this toggle turned on, your iPhone will automatically download and install updates for you, so you're always up to date. That's all there is to it. Keeping your apps updated is crucial for the best performance and security. Happy updating!